Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to create a private group on Facebook. So it's very simple to do. It's very easy. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you guys can see I'm currently on Facebook right now, and you guys are going to want to go ahead and click on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner, far right. Go ahead and click on it, and you should be able to get the menu option appearance here. Now, under your name here, you should be able to have a few options in these little squares. Go ahead and click the groups option. Once you go ahead and click on it, you guys should be able to see, all of the groups that you're in, but you want to go ahead and create a private group. So at the top right hand corner, this should be a plus sign right next to a gearbox icon. Go ahead and click the plus sign. Once you go ahead and click on it, it's going to say create a group. Now go ahead and click on create a group. Now here you can actually go ahead and create a group. Now I'm going to name this the web guide 2, and we're gonna actually go ahead and make this private, and you guys can see that we can actually have the option here to hide the group. We can actually make it visible or hidden. So I'm gonna make it visible just to show you guys an example, and you guys are gonna want to go ahead and create the group here, and it's actually gonna create the group for you here, and it's gonna give you the option to actually invite people here as well. Now just click next, and then after that you are gonna have to add a cover photo. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that one. You can add a description as well, and you can actually add a few goals, but we're going to actually continue with that later. And just like that, we should actually be able to create the private group here on Facebook. So it is super easy, guys. It's very simple to do, and hopefully that was straightforward, and now you have a good understanding of how it's done. So if hopefully you found this video very helpful, guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.